Hello everyone. Start off by sectioning the top of the hair and then tying it up. Then make a braid at the bottom using the sectioned up hair. Make sure that the hair is put on tightly through the braid. Once you are done with this, roll the braid upward and insert it into the upper section of hair that is there. Fasten it with a bobby pin if you want. You may add a decorative clip. Next, start off by tying a ponytail and then add another rubber band in the middle of the ponytail. Add a decorative clip in the center and then add a rubber band to the tip of the hair. Once you are done tying it up, roll it up into the rest of the bun and then add a bobby pin to make it fasten. Next hairstyle, section off two parts of the hair from the front and then tie it up at the back center using a rubber band. Roll it in upon itself and then it will form the twist in the side. Add a bow. For our next hairstyle, start off by making a thick ponytail. Divide it into two halves and add a rubber band to each of these halves, and for each of these, twist the hair in upon itself so that it forms the twist by itself. Once you are done doing this on both of the sides, bring the hair together and then add a clip or a rubber band to it. Then add a rubber band to the bottom of the hair as well, and then once more twist the hair in on itself. Once you are done with this, in the new hole that is formed, roll it around the bun and then fasten it using some clips or a beret. This is how it should look. Thank you for watching.